Wait, are you also looking forward to improve your English? Today I'm going to share with you how you can improve your English without spending even a single penny. Yes, my friend, it's possible now. You don't have to spend even a single rupee and you can improve English language. How? First of all, I'm going to share with you that how did I learn this language. Hello and welcome to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning this language great way. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you that how did I learn this language without spending even a single rupee by using social media. In your case also, you don't have to spend even a single rupee. Now you can learn this language sitting at your home. Yes, you heard it right. See my friend, initially when I thought to improve my English, I didn't have anyone. So what did I do? How did I improve my English? How I am able to speak this language? See, when I thought to improve my English, at that time, I had my mobile phone in my hand. Then I started watching videos a lot, English video. And how did I get the thought to speak this language? Was I aware of this language? To be honest, I didn't know that a lot of people, they are able to speak this language. But when I found mobile phone, that time when I started watching YouTube videos, I found that there were a lot of girls and small children and so many people, they were speaking English language fluently. Then I thought that, can I also speak this language? Then afterward, I started trying. So in your case also, if you don't have anyone, you don't have to be disheartened, right? You can try now. It has become very easy just because of social media. The advent of social media has made everything easy, right? So for learning English also, you should use social media rather than lamenting. Here question arises, how we can improve our English by using social media? Sometimes we don't find all the things. We have to make the way, right? So in my case, firstly, I didn't have anyone to speak with. Then I started listening. And I used to listen a lot, and I started finding the way that how could I get a partner with whom I could practice. And as we know that one says goes like this, where there is a will, there is a way. So now we have to learn how to use our mobile phone, I mean social media, right way. My friend, it has pros and cons, okay? Or everything has pros and cons. So same thing goes with this social media also. There are a lot of people, they are not able to use it proper way. So that is why it is just taking their time away. But in our case, we have to use it right way. How? See, when I was a beginner and then I started using YouTube, okay? And I started watching a lot of English related videos and still I watch. And then my listening improved, or it started improving, okay? Similarly, when it came to talking, so I was watching YouTube videos. Over there I saw one person, he was explaining that there is one such app where you can go and find the co-learner and you can practice. Then see, where did I find that person? I found that person on social media. Afterward, I installed one app which is Hybro, and then I started using that. And what is that? That is also social media, right? Over there, a lot of people were there. So if I had thought about joining any spoken classes, I would have not learned this language. But I didn't think also. Why? Because it was beyond of my reach, I could say. That it's not so easy to find the coaching classes, right? And I think that there is no coaching classes also. If we want to join, we have to go city area, and then we can learn spoken things or speak in English. But in my case, I was not that much of privileged to have the coaching classes in my village. And I think somewhere it was good also. Then what I did, so I started watching YouTube video, and then my listening started improving. And to be honest, in my initial day, I could not understand each and everything, really. In your case also, now you should no longer make the excuses, okay? Just like I don't have anyone, how can I speak this language? And I don't know how to, speak this language. See, everything is available on social media now. Okay, first thing, start listening. As we know, for learning any language, we have to listen. So from where we can listen? You can listen any audio book, you can listen podcast, you can listen anything, all thing. It depends on your interest. Okay, so whatever you feel that is good for you, watch that one only. Okay, so just find your interest, whether you like movie or song or whatever, that start watching and enhance your listening. Once you start comprehending the things, then what you should do, then start using apps. A lot of apps are available for partners, okay, for co-learners. Initially it was not so easy, but day by day things are getting very easy, and even people are making excuses, right? In my case, I didn't have idea that there is one app also, and rarely there used to be some app. Some of them they were paid also, but I didn't have that much of money, right? Just like English Guru and Cambly. I wanted to join Cambly also, but by the grace of God, as I told you, then I came across that video, and that video changed everything for me. Why? Because it just provided one app which I started using, and I found a lot of co-learner over there, and whatever I didn't know, I started learning from them. Whatever I knew, and then I started sharing with them, and that's how everything started improving. And now I think that it's very easy to find apps, it's very easy to find co-learner. How? By using social media. You don't have to go and join spoken classes. I think if we have to join spoken classes, many of us would take our step back, right? First thing, that shy, that okay, how can I go and sit among the children, right? But now it is very easy. Simply we have to watch the video and learn something. Just it could be grammar, story, or listen podcast, anything, and then make the simple call. Afterward, start talking to your friends, right? So your friend or your co-learner, and then you will start getting the idea how to improve this language. I think this is not the biggest problem now to find the co-learner. It was earlier. Even I have seen many people, they used to speak this language. How did they do? When things were very difficult, even they did. Now things are very easy. Why we are unable to do? There is one thing also, my friend, I want to share with you, that everything has pros and cons. So now people, when they start using social media, that time they start watching, a lot of videos, they forget. They are not that much disciplined. On the other hand, if you join any spoken classes, you will be very much disciplined, right? So we have to bring that discipline in ourselves, whether we are going to join any spoken classes or we are going to learn this language alone. So now if you are disciplined enough, you can do anything sitting at your home, I think, in my opinion. It could be learning this language or learning any skill also, right? Everything is available. Now things has become very, very easy. And now the all responsibility has come on us. Whichever we are going to select, bad or good, just like watching a lot of videos and flooding our mind with information, or choosing the selective things which are very, very beneficial for our career, for our future, and for our success, right? So learning this language is very, very useful, right, nowadays. So then watch some English video so that you can learn. And if you are going to watch English video, you are not going to learn only this language, right? You are going to learn so many things. Same thing goes with the talking also. When we talk to people, we are not simply improving our English, but we are improving our knowledge also, right? We are improving our wisdom, right? How? By talking to multiple of people, by talking to unknown person. So this is how, in my case, to be honest, I was not privileged enough to have the teacher in my life who could teach me or who taught me. No, I just did all alone, and I can't say all alone. There I found a lot of friends also, and they just helped me a lot. Okay, so in your case also, you can do now. Don't make excuses, because now it's possible. Mobile is in your hand, and then simply start listening. Then afterward, if you don't want to buy book, then start reading news articles, right? And if you don't want to go and join the spoken classes and find the partner over there. I mean that find the co-learner over there. So simply use some language learning app which you can manage to do with your work also, along with your work. See, if you are going to join any spoken classes, I'm not against of that one, but you have to get ready and then go, and then afterward it is going to take a lot of time. It can consume a lot of time. But simply if sitting at your home you can do these things, then how good it would be. It would be wonderful, right? But now that wonderful thing is happening. You can do it. How? By using social media, my friend. And I did it. In my case, I didn't join any spoken classes, and not only me, but also a lot of people, they are learning this language without spending even a single penny. Okay, so I think after watching this video, you are not going to make the lame excuses that I don't have anyone from where I can listen. What should I listen? Okay, there are a lot of people, they say that what should I listen? Listen anything, whatever is interesting for you. Okay, so if you listen anything from there, you are going to get a lot of vocabulary, a lot of things is going to happen. You will start understanding the things. Okay, so do that one. Second thing, that reading, if you don't want to buy the book, then read the article.